Hello students, I Sambhu sir again with new video which has been made on narration. However, this video has been made on demand of students. Many students have written in comment box, sir, crucial need we feel for narration. So as much as possible soon, sir, make video on narration. So I assure you, you will be able to understand narration. However, this video will be introductory as different terms, objectives of narrations have been described here. So all these things have been written in points. Attentively, carefully read each and every points. However, I will explain every points which have been written on board. So now, without wasting time, let us start. Narration. Narration means a statement. Narration means a statement. Narration is also known as a speech. The root word of narration is narrate, which is verb, and means to tell something. Narration has been categorized into two parts: direct narration and indirect narration. However, through points, I want to define direct narration. Under direct narration, exact words of a speaker is noted, while in indirect a speech or narration, not exact words of a speaker, but on the basis of own consciousness, try to express the same meaning of the speaker in own word, not exact word of the speaker, but in own word, try to express the same feeling. It is known as indirect narration or speech. So point here, the root word of narration is narrate, where narration is a noun which means a statement while narrating, a verb which means to tell or express something. Second thing, narration is studied under transformation, in which one can use different words or a structure to express the feeling, but in all the cases meaning must be same. Means narration is studied under transformation, and we know that under transformation we can use a structure and words but not meaning. Meaning should be same. So narration is studied under transformation. In other words, one can say that narration means for the narrator to play with language during expressing one's feeling, views, thinking and ideas. Means narration. Narration is very important chapter, mainly for the speaker, who has best knowledge of language. As through narration, one can play, one can enjoy the ability of language. Directly or indirectly, one can share with feeling or ideas. Narration is also known as a speech divided into two parts: They are direct speech and indirect speech. I have already clarified direct speech. Under direct speech, a speaker's own actual words are noted under inverted comma. Indirect speech, under indirect speech, a speaker's exact words are not noted but to own words to express the same meaning. Under direct speech, the feeling where noted is known as reported speech. Very remarkable thing. Means the terms which are used under narration from direct to indirect are like this. Reported speech. What is reported speech? What is reporting verb? What is reporting subject, object, inverted comma? All these terms are used, which one reader or students must be familiar to these facts. Without knowing, you will have to face problem to understand or to express feeling into indirect speech from direct speech. So must be able to understand what is reported speech. Means the speaker's ideas which is noted, under inverted comma, known as reported speech. Reporting verb, that is inside, inverted comma, that is inside comma. Reporting verb that is inside comma or before inverted comma, inside comma or before inverted comma, known as reporting verb. After reporting verb, it also takes reporting object and reporting subject before reporting verb. So all these terms must be known by the students or readers. The verb by which a speaker wants to convey his or her feeling known as reporting verb that is inside comma. I have already clarified. Through example, one must try to understand. Simran says to her friend, when will you celebrate festival Makar Sankranti on 14 or 15 January 2014? Here, Simran is known as reporting subject, says reporting verb, her friend reporting object. Okay, and under inverted comma, when will you celebrate? These are known as reported speech. However, one more important thing here, during changing into indirect speech, okay, we have two parts. During changing all the things, or during changing direct speech into indirect speech, mainly for this sentence, okay, we'll take two parts. First part known as principal clause and the second part subordinate clause. Like this, Simran asks as, this one is interrogative sentence. Simran asks her friend, okay, that Simran asks her friend, and this one is interrogative word, so not that. So when object her friend, Simran tells her friend, asks her friend, okay, when she, okay, when she will celebrate festival Makar Sankranti 2014. Okay, so Simran asks her friend, okay, this one is principal clause, and when she will, subordinate clause. Okay, means indirect speech. Under indirect speech, sentence or complex sentence, okay, has two parts. First part known as principal clause, second known as subordinate clause. So you might have understood the basic video of narration in which different terms as well as objective of narration, why one wants to. First, one thing must know why one wants to study narration. So, very simple answer. Narration is studied mainly for enjoying the language, to express feeling differently. So, thank you. For further video, I will discuss in next.